Hey guys, how's it going? Back in the garage with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be cleaning some injectors, right? So let's say you have a set of used injectors, because we all know brand new OEM injectors cost an arm and a leg, right? So let's say you went out and got some used injectors and you want to clean them out before you install them. Well, you have the option to ship them out to get cleaned and pressure tested. But what if that's not in your budget? Then you essentially have to clean them yourself. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be cleaning out some injectors, clean them out effectively, right? So let's get to it. Alright guys, so let's go over the items you're going to need to clean our injectors. First and foremost, we need our injectors, right? We're also going to need some carb cleaner of your choice, right? And the most important item on the list are these guys, right? Now this is an injector cleaning tool that comes as a kit, right? I got this off Amazon, but you can get it off eBay as well, right? And I'm going to show you guys how to use this in a second, but it comes to two of these, a cable, a jumper cable, right? Two of these as well. So you can use it for a wide range of injectors, right? I believe it works for most injectors out there. So it's a very inexpensive kit. I got this for about $15 or so, and the way it works is pretty simple. You just take your injector, right, and then you stick it right in this hole. You have two of these, so whichever one is compatible with your injector is the one you're gonna use. So you're gonna take this, stick it in there, just like I've done over here, and then you take the plastic piece and stick it on top of your carb cleaner of your choice, and then you take the jumper cable, plug it in there, and then hook that up to any 12-volt power supply. In my case, I'm going to be using this guy. It's a variable power supply, and all you want to do is just mimic a pulse, right? So essentially, if I took this, my negative terminal, and just tapped it, I hope you guys can hear that. That's basically my injector opening and closing, right? So that's what you want to do. At the same time, you want to just apply pressure to this, and the carb cleaner is gonna go up into this plastic piece and then just shoot out of your injector whilst you're simulating the pulse. So that's basically how it works, and that's what we're gonna be doing. Alright guys, so I decided to take things one step further. You don't have to do this at all, but I decided to do this. I decided to drive my injector electronically, right, using this guy. I'm not gonna go too much into details as to what this is, but basically think of it as a little computer. That's essentially what it is. It's a computer, and I'm gonna program it using my computer, and I'm gonna tell it to turn on and off every second, every 5 seconds, 10 times a second. I could really push the injector using this guy. And essentially that's what your car's ECU does. Your ECU, there's a computer in there. Your ECU is a computer, right? And it can turn this thing on very, very quickly, much quicker than you can with your hands doing this. Much quicker. Alright guys, so I realized how messy this was gonna be, so I took things outside, right? So it's just the same setup, right? I have a can over there, I have my computer down there, I have the little microcontroller which is gonna drive the injectors. So we're gonna start with a 1 second pulse, right? Meaning I'm gonna turn it on and off every 1 second, and we're gonna see what happens. Alright guys, so we're done cleaning our injectors. I went through 3 cans, right? I tried different using different pulses. I started with a second and I went half a second, and I ended up using about 100 millisecond pulse. Alright guys, so we're done cleaning our injectors. All the injectors are clean. I am like positive these injectors are like absolutely clean, right? So that's all I have for you guys today. If you like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, do something. Alright, so alright, that's all for today. I'll catch you guys in another one.